one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Masvingo Headmaster regrets joining Zanu PF. The 24th of August 2025, retired Helen Magai Primary School Headmaster, Herbert Horuno Zenjaya, sparked controversy on Tuesday after publicly denouncing Zanu PF during the burial of Gudu Ward for Councillor Philip Gararai Tagwari. Speaking before hundreds of mourners, including senior Zanu PF provincial and district leaders, Zenjaya declared that he regretted joining the ruling party, which he accused of deceiving Zimbabweans for the past 45 years. I was an active member of Zanu PF from the time of the liberation struggle. We told people a lot of lies that when we gain independence, we shall till land using tractors. Education would be free. Government would provide decent houses for everyone, and employment would be for every citizen. We also said there would be democracy and justice in the country. These have all turned out to be lies. If at all, the situation is now far worse than before. I regret my association with this party, and I apologize to the people of Zimbabwe, Zenjaya said. He added that, as a Christian, he could not reconcile his faith with remaining in Zanu PF, saying he wanted to meet his creator with a clean conscience. He also stressed that, as a teacher, his role was to nurture responsible citizens, something he said was impossible while being aligned to the ruling party. Zenjaya's remarks drew murmurs at the funeral, with his apology for past involvement in Zanu PF seen as a rare public repudiation of the party by a former long-serving member.